Okay, everybody, I know many of you have phones that look just like this. Busted screen right there. I'm going to show you a simple little trick. In a few minutes you will have a perfectly fixed phone screen. All you have to do is just add two simple ingredients. First one, applesauce. Just pour it on like this, all over your phone. Just wait 20 minutes, you guys. It's gonna be a brand new phone. Okay, next ingredient, salt. Don't be shy, coat it on there. Lots of salt. Okay. You see that? That's a bunch of salt. Now, you wait 20 minutes. And here we go, you guys. 20 minutes later. Perfect. A lot of cleaning, but it's worth it. 20 minutes, a lot of cleaning. No cracks anywhere. Do you see this? Clean. The cracks are gone. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure and like and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Applesauce, salt, wait 20 minutes, bam. Perfect screen. Hope you enjoyed it.